Alright guys, welcome to Doozer Shop. Got a cool unboxing video for you everyone here today. This has been in the back of a tool room and forgotten about, I bet you since the 60s or 70s, and it's sort of an artifact, but you guys will recognize it instantly what this is and how cool it is just to have this in original condition. It's kind of cool to do an unboxing like this. It's like a historical unboxing, I guess you'd call it. But without further talking about it, let's jump into what this is. All right, we got the handheld. All right, so this is it, right? So this is a wooden box. And before I show you guys what's in it, it says ship to industrial plus textile S4. So ship to industrial textile, or it could be textiles. 1308 South Main Street, Charlotte, North Carolina, 28201. Okay? So that's old. I mean, that's just very old. Plywood bottom to the box. And there's a sticker, that's just clear tape. It says Pitney Bowes. This is not readable, really. But anyhow. Best I can make out, it says Live Center, Bullnose, Morris, I think it's Morris 3. Sorry. Yeah, that's not readable. But, you know, I tried. Okay, so that gave it away of what it is. Yeah, Morris Taper 3, I believe. Pipehead Center, Bullnose Center. And let me get some light going. Look what they did. They got pieces of wood and nails just surrounding the whole situation there. You know, it's got bearing, pretty sure. But I mean, just look at this is 3/4 pine. I'm sorry, 3/4 pine. You know, and it's just been, it's so, ooh, I'm kicking a can here. It's just so dusty and dirty and full of cosmoline. Look at that dust on it. I mean, this thing is just really an artifact. And you can see just the amount of dirt. Oh, where am I? It's just filthy. So I guess the way to pull this apart is to take the head off this nail. Or, you know, pull the nail, and there's a little slotty piece of wood right there. There's another piece of wood right there, okay? Ooh, right, it's on the bandsaw. So let's do that. Let me, I gotta pull those nails. I can't do that with the camera being held. Let's put you back on the tripod here and try to move you in a little bit. Alright, we'll do that, and you can kind of see what's going on. Alright, I'm going to just twist this nail out here. Oops. Alright. Well, we got that. That's all I was holding, it was just a nail in there. Can we get it out? Maybe not. No. Let's pull this nail. Twisty, twisty, twisty. Okay. Okay, got that out. Alright, we got 2 of those out. Now, can you see what I got here? Right? So let's see if it'll just come out. Now this is the first time this has been out of here, and probably longer than I've been alive. Right? No, it won't come out. But look at this. See how that's loose? I wonder if I can... pry it. Yep. Oh yeah. And I'm being very gentle here, folks. Is that gonna come out? Maybe. Need the bigger screwdriver. All right. All right. Okay, you guys see that? So, wow. Here's the butt end of that. It's like a cribbing. All right, here he comes off. All right, so we'll just put that over there. All right, so I bet you this, like I said, is 50 years old. And this has never ever been out. I'm trying to keep my hands away. Look at that. What's down in here? Nothing? Just junk? Just compressed grease. It's nasty. Alright, I'll throw that out. So, I guess the box isn't very interesting, so let me dispense with the box. Okay. Well, hold on, let me fidget with the camera so I can see what's going on here. Alright. So here we go. Bada bing, right? It says Ideal Industries. Ideal Industries, Sycamore, Illinois. Says something number, catalog number 49-513. Now let's spin it. Sorry. Let's spin it. Of course it's locked up because the grease is, you know. Ooh! It moved. It moves. Wow. I cannot believe it moves. I'm going to have to clean it and dribble some oil. I can't believe it moves. That grease, usually grease gets hard as a rock and it just gets chunky monkey, just impossible to even turn. So whatever grease they used, a testament to that. That's really good. Blow some of the schmook off of it there. All right, let me pull you out. All right, so there she is in all her glory, and that's the first couple revolutions it's ever had. Let's see here. There's the part number, catalog number 49-513. Well, let's see here. Oops. Ideal Industries. Ideal Industries. So it's an Ideal Center. There's the right? Balance it right on. So cool. Looks like it's got. I wonder if that's for oil. I might bet that that's for adding oil. But this is really cool. You know, it's been in that old crate box. Would you guys guess this is from 75 or earlier? I mean, it's just awesome. It's just so dirty. I'm going to clean this in the mineral spirits tank. Now, I'm probably going to use this Morse Taper 3. The lathe I have is the Pratt & Whitney. Model 12C has a 3 Morse taper. So anyways, I'm real happy with this. This is a stellar, you know, find. Back of a tool room, you know, sat on a shelf forever and nobody used it. Probably they didn't have a lathe with a 3 Morse taper at this company, and it just sat there forever. So pretty neat having a pipe. I don't have any pipe center really at all. So that's going to be nice. I might have the piece for a pipe center. Let me see here. No. Somewhere I got the piece for a pipe center. These are all tapered bits and bobs. I'm making a liar out of myself. I thought I had the piece from a pipe center. Nope. Well, you just, that's indicators. Oh, dude, I'd missed it. There it is. So, there's no writing on this thing. Oh, yeah. Something 4/90 NU34OP. But, I think that's a tapered bore. I don't know. I would assume, yeah, that's got to be a tapered bore. I'm going to have to see if it's a Jacobs taper or what that is. But I don't have the back for it. This is just the front. Oops. Oh, I got little itty-bitty centers, but that's not... Yeah. So, yeah, that's my only thing, and it's not obviously usable. But at any rate, let me clean this up and... maybe I can get some use out of it, but like I said, this is 50, it's got to be from 1970s. It's got to be. Anyhow, I'll stop talking. Glad I could share this with you guys. All you archaeology machine nerds, hope you appreciate this. But yeah, bull center from way back, and this is the first time it was being touched. Probably for 50 years, probably as long as I've been alive. This thing just sat on a shelf and gathered that much dust. So I'm going to clean it, oil it, and see maybe I can use it. Wanted to bring you guys with me and share this like archaeological dig. So anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, this is Doozer Shop.